Hello, welcome to our channel. We are back with new series of computer awareness. We have completed mcqs of fundamentals of computer and there is a separate playlist of all those videos. Now we are going to make sessions on MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel. These MCQs are sufficient for various exams like RRB, PO, RRB, Clerk, RBI Assistant and many other state PSC. Please revise these MCQs multiple times so that it will be easy for you to recall the answer at the time of exam easily. Let's start. 116. How many different positions can you set for drop cap? A. 1B. 2C. 4D. 6. Answer 2. 117. How many ways you can save a document? A. 3B. 4C. 5D. 6. Answer 3. 118. What is the maximum number of lines you can set for lines to drop box? A. 3B. 5C. 10D. 15. Answer 10. 119. Single spacing in MS Word document causes _____ point line spacing. A. 10B. 12C. 14D. 16. Answer 12. 120. What is the default number of lines to drop for drop cap? A. 3B. 10C. 15D. 20. Answer 3. 121. How many columns can you insert in a Word document in maximum? A. 35B. 45C. 55D. 65. Answer 45. 122. In a document, what is the maximum number of columns that can be inserted in MS Word table? A. 35B. 15C. 63D. 65. Answer 15. 123. What is the maximum scale percentage available in scale drop-down box? A. 500B. 200C. 100D. 90. Answer 100. 124. What is the maximum font size you can apply for any character? A. 163B. 1638C. 16038D. None of above. Answer 1638. 125. Word, by default, places a tab stop at every blank mark on the ruler. A. 0.25, B. 0.5, C. 0.75, D. 1. Answer 0.5. 126. What is the default file extension for all Word documents? A. TXTSB. Word C. Docs D. Docs. Answer Word. 127. The file type, blank, indicates the file is a Word document. A. .mswb. .wc. .wrdd. .doc. Answer .doc. 128. What do you call a collection of character and paragraph formatting commands? A. The defaults. B. A template. C. A style. D. A boilerplate. Answer a style. 129. What is a document outline view? A. A preview in a full screen. B. A preview with margins. C. A view with the margins and gutter. D. A view with the structure of heading at various levels. Answer a view with the structure of heading at various levels. 130. CTRL plus ZA. Undo the last action. B. Redo the last action. C. Add the new page. D. Paste the contents from clipboard. Answer undo the last action. 131. The blank in the resume wizard dialog box indicates the wizard is ready to create the document. A. Start panel. B. Address panel. C. Add sort heading panel. D. Finish panel. Answer finish panel. 132. What does CTRL plus equals key effect? A. Superscript. B. Subscript. C. All caps. D. Shadow. Answer subscript. 133. The spike. A. Allows you to combine text from several documents and insert all the text into one document at one time. B. Allows you to edit auto text entries. C. Allows you to format auto text entries. D. All of above. Answer allows you to edit auto text entries. 134. The word wrap feature A. Automatically move text to the next line when necessary. B. Appears at the bottom of the document. C. Allows you to type over text. D. Is the short horizontal line answer. Automatically move text to the next line when necessary. 135. How can you make the selected character superscripted A? Ctrl plus equals B. Ctrl plus shift plus equals C. Alt plus Ctrl plus shift plus equals D. None of above. Answer Ctrl plus shift plus equals. 136. When typing in a word field manually, what must you press to insert the codes braces? A. Ctrl plus F6. B. Ctrl plus F9. C. Alt plus F11. D. Shift plus F12. Answer Ctrl plus F9. 137. What is the shortcut key to open the open dialog box? A. F12. B. Shift F12. C. Alt plus F12. D. Ctrl plus F12. Answer Ctrl plus F12. 138. What is the shortcut key to split a table? A. Ctrl plus Alt plus Enter. B. Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. C. Alt plus Shift plus Enter. D. Alt plus Space plus Enter. Answer Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. 139. Which key is used to increase left and length? A. Ctrl plus IB. Ctrl plus MC. Alt plus ID. F10. Answer Ctrl plus M. 140. When the same word is used in multiple locations or a word is used that was not quite appropriate, a thesaurus can be used to look up a and blank, or a word similar in meaning. A. Synonym. B. Homonym. C. Antonym. D. Metronym. Answer synonym.